back to our YouTube channel. So as of today, it's quite rainy here and drizzling. I don't know if there is a low pressure, but the weather is not really quite good for a few days, so the work here is a bit quite slow. And yeah, because they really do much work during rain, and but especially if it's quite heavy, and there are times they're not able to come to work because of this situation right now. And yeah, there are some people or worker who will not show up or absent, so it makes it more slower. And there are times Kat and I, we kept thinking when we're gonna start doing this one or finish the house, but hopefully the weather will be good so we can really continue more on working in the house. And yeah, it's been about 3 weeks. I was not really able to do the video, especially there is not much work yet done. And yeah, mostly they start doing only the columns and the beam, but good thing that it's already prepared for the pouring, and they start pouring in the two sides. Now they're gonna pour it like in front the beam and then at the back, and the next one will be the beam in the middle that connected to each other to make it quite a bit stronger. So this is how it looks now, the house. They already finished piling the blocks all around the walling, all around the house, and even on the division of the house, they already also finished piling the blocks. What we're gonna order now is the 300 CHB. I don't know if that be enough for the 3 sister tank. If not, we're gonna order more. So it costs us around 4,500 because in each blocks it costs 15 pesos each if you want a bit quite stronger, because there are cheaper one but it easily broken. So that hole, guys, here, this one, maybe you may wonder that part, that is for our window type aircon, like the 2 horsepower. Since there are times during summer it's really quite hot, so Scott really decided to put in aircon here for the living room and the kitchen. And that will be our, this hole will be our window for the kitchen. When I wash the dishes or do some cooking, I can see outside. And yep, and that one is the window for our guest room. So I guess I decided to walk here barefooted again inside the house, because as you can see in here, really quite muddy. And they are really putting on the frame in there in preparation for the pouring, and all the rebar was put in place for the beam. So they're gonna finish all around outside the beam and then now in the middle. So what Scott is, it is Scott's decision to add or connect the rebar from there going down there, so it will be make it more stronger. Yeah, we're using 16 mm rebar and the 12 mm, and for the ring we're using about the 10 mm rebar. So they're working on the framing over there. Yeah, hopefully. So we're trying our best here to finish the pouring of the concrete on the beam. So the guy who, when we talk for the trusses, who will work for the trusses, will can do his job. And yeah, because he said he cannot work it yet unless if the all beam is already poured. So I guess what we're gonna do is to buy the material first, and we're gonna add maybe a rust converter and then the metal primer if possible, if we have enough budget on it, or if not, we're just using the metal primer. Yeah. So this part, guys, Naidado make a dowel over there, because in this part outside here, this one from here going down there, there will be a veranda, but we just work it later after the house will get done, and even the porch in front. When the house get done, this is the next one. We're gonna work on the veranda and the porch. Look at my slipper and my foot. This is a good therapy, walking on the mud. It is still raining right now. So we have her, guys, no, yan yung doing the welding for the pieces of rebar. It's a small cut of rebar, and then he connected it into one, so we can use it into our garden beds in the dragon fruit area. I guess the rain is quite slow right now, which is good thing, and I hope it will stop and it be sunny so I can also work on the garden. We walk down in here. We're going to the area for our septic tank, and we have her Nidoni working on the column while it's raining. Look at this. So we have her, the guys working on our septic tank. They finished digging this septic tank around a week. Para ba nilapok, magtiniil na lang ko eh. Yeah. Nindot kayo ni ba? Perting lapok ka.
Oh, lamig na. Murag biko.
So, they already piling the blocks in here. Renanti and GC, since Gimme is absent today. And yeah, there are two divisions for that one. This one is 7 feet high by 200 centimeter by 250 centimeter, the dimension. Yeah, so This division, guys, it's must be, this part is quite higher than that one. That one we gonna put some like i-level ba na daw ang tunga di no?
Asa?
Kanang division niya. Di. Okay, muga ana man tubig mugawas. So the division in the middle is not level in this part because that area where the water goes out, and this one the poop will left behind. This is quite big septic tank, guys, for the 2 person. This is for the septic tank for our master bedroom, but the other one is a bit smaller since that's only used for when we got our visitors come over or our family. So while raining, they are using this tarp, but it's hard to work when it's raining. Look at this. Even there, no don't working on. I don't know if I can plant today. Murag yun ni glugaw. It's really raining hard as of the moment, and I'm walking down on the other side. We're gonna dig 3 septic tank or 3 tanks. One is for the master bedroom septic tank, and the other one is for the Jack and Jill bathroom, and the third one is for our kitchen in this part, guys, here, since this is the faucet area and the waste or the water waste will go through the tank since cat doesn't like it to go outside. So we must have to make also a drainage, I guess. Oh, yeah. It's really quite muddy today here in the farm. So they already start digging. I guess I just walk. I guess I just walk barefooted. Agay. So my slipper won't stuck into the mud. So they already finished digging here for the second sister tank or the septic tank, and look at the water in there. It's quite high now. I guess this is also a 7 feet high, and but this one is a bit quite smaller than the other one. This one is about 150 by 200, I guess. Yeah. Look at this time. Still raining. Okay guys, so that is the update of our house building construction in the farm. It's been 3 weeks I did not do video for the progress of our house building here. It's been a lot of days. Our guys did not show up because of the heavy rain and they cannot do a lot of work. Yeah, so that's it today guys. Thank you everyone. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. God bless.